if you are on a journey toward total financial freedom. Understanding the legal landscape of your credit profile is your greatest advantage. Today, we are looking closely at a default judgment South Africa, and more importantly, the legal pathways available to clear your name and restore your financial standing. Many consumers encounter challenges simply because they do not know the technical difference between a standard default and a formal judgment. A default is merely a notification from a credit provider that an account is behind schedule. It is an opportunity to correct the course. A judgment, however, is a formal legal directive granted under the Magistrates Court Act. Before a judgment can be legally granted, a credit provider must issue a Section 129 notice under the National Credit Act. This document is highly beneficial because it outlines your options to resolve the matter before court involvement. If this notice is overlooked, the matter proceeds to court. This is where many individuals face administrative inefficiencies. When a default judgment is granted, it is often because the consumer was not present in court to offer a defense. The fantastic news is that South African law provides a mechanism for relief called a rescission of judgment. This is a legal application to have the judgment completely set aside, instantly clearing the way for a restored credit score. To successfully execute a rescission of judgment, you must demonstrate a bona fide defense or prove that the judgment was granted in error. Handling High Court or Magistrate Court applications independently can be a highly complex challenge. It requires precise legal formatting, affidavits, and an intimate understanding of the National Credit Act to ensure the credit bureaus actually update your profile once the court grants the rescission. Partnering with professionals ensures that the process is handled efficiently, legally, and correctly the first time, securing the financial outcomes you deserve. You have the power to rewrite your financial future. If you require an NCA Compliant, professional assessment to formally clear a judgment and restore your profile, our team at FMS is ready to assist. Click the WhatsApp link in the description to start your journey. If this breakdown empowered you with new knowledge, please hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel and drop a comment below letting us know what credit topic we should cover next.